Lawmakers also approved a bill that requires adults to buckle up in the back seat of vehicles. Under current law, only children aged 17 and under must do so. KITV4's Justin Fujioka has more on this possible change.
Whether you're in the front or the back seat of a moving vehicle, click it or ticket. Pushed by the support of the police, state departments of health and transportation, lawmakers voted to pass a bill requiring everyone sitting anywhere to buckle up.
Nationally, we know that wearing your seatbelt increases your chances of surviving a crash by approximately 45%. So really, it's a common sense solution. It's something that really can save lives.
3 out of 4 lives were lost by people not buckling up in the back seat. That's according to state crash data from 2007 to 2010.
I like my grandsons to be safe in the back seat, just like I'm tied into the front seat. I require everyone in my car to wear a seatbelt.
I think it's a good law, and everybody that's in a car should wear a seatbelt. Everybody gets in my car does, otherwise I won't go anyplace.
I just think that if we're going to have it, it needs to be enforced. I know a lot of people who, especially cop-wise, I'm a member that are cops, and people will let things go. If we're going to have a law, it needs to be enforced by law officials, law enforcement in general.
The Honolulu Police Department says it's been working on an enforcement plan in case this bill becomes law.
We do have grants that the police departments can apply for funding to do additional enforcement, and we do that with our Click It or Ticket campaign.
Currently, it's a $92 ticket if you get caught unbuckled. The bill now goes to Governor Abercrombie for his signature. Justin Fujioka, KITV4 News.
On our KITV.com poll, we asked you, should adults be required to wear seatbelts in the back seats of vehicles in the state? 37% of you said yes, while 57% voted no. You don't think adults should have to wear seatbelts in the back seat.